Hello and good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you some physical exercise and yoga asanas which will help to keep yourself fit and fine. So you should do these yoga asanas at morning. Then how you have to start, how you will start your yoga asanas, I will say. First you will see the asanas and you will try to do this. Okay? So after wake up you have to fresh yourself. Then you have to ready for these asanas. Before before start the asanas, you should not drink tea or juice or milk, or you should not take any kinds of food. If you are feeling thirsty or hungry, you can take one glass plain water only. After this, you have to get ready for this exercise or asanas. After wake up, your body is not ready for doing any kinds of exercise, so you have to start. Before start, you have to do some warm up. So first, I will start from top to bottom. First, 10 times head up, down, up, down, up, down. 10 times up, 10 times down. Then 10 times left, 10 times right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Then back rotation. 10 times right, 10 times left, right, left, right, left. Then down, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then you have to do exercise your eyebrow muscles like this. 10 times, 10 times, 10 times. Okay. Then eyeballs, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now side to side, up, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. And then you have to rotate the ball from your right side to left side 10 times, like this, like this, like this. Then right side to from right to left, left to right, like this. Okay. Then cheek muscles, rotate from down to up 10 times, and then up to down, up to down, up to down. Okay. Then tongue. 10 or 15 times you can do like this. Then hand. Keep your hand straight, show your palm, keep your thumb inside and do like this. And rotate. Rotate your wrist, rotate your wrist, rotate your wrist, rotate your wrist. 10 times and 10 times opposite side. From inside to outside 10 times. Very good. Now stretch your fingers, show your palm like this, hold here and stretch it. Okay, now change the direction. Okay. Now change your hand, do like this and do like this. Now arm rotation. You have to keep your fingers here above your shoulder. Now touch your elbows and make it round, round, round. 15 times front, 15 times you have to count, and then back 15 times, back, back, back side, back side. Okay. Then stretch your arms like this, like this. 10 times left up, 10 times right up, left up, right up, left up, right up. Okay. Then keep your hand straight and keep it down from behind your head, and from your left hand push here, push the elbows, and hold for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds. Okay, then release and keep your hands down. Now another hand, do like this and hold here and press and stay for 5 seconds. Okay, now relax. Then leg, keep your leg straight and bend your knee. 10 times right leg, 10 times left leg, 10 times right leg and left leg, 10 times, 10 times right leg, 10 times left leg. Then your foot, keep it stretch front, back, front, back, front, back. Then move it from your left side. Listen and be careful, no need to bend your knees. No need to bend your knees. 10 times, left side, right side, and then right side to left side. Okay, this is your warm-up exercise. Now you will start your asanas. Today I will teach you 4 asanas. First is Tadarasana. First you have to stand like this. Keep the distance according to your shoulder. It should be straight to your shoulders. Now keep your hands up and interlock your fingers. Keep your palm to the sky and now you have to go up and your toes, your heel will be up and your toes will be touching the ground. Stretch your body to up, stretch your body up, stretch your body up and hold for 10 seconds. Hold for 10 seconds. Okay, then relax slowly. Yes, very good. So the advantage of this asanas is very helpful for increase your height, one thing, and second point is it's improve your leg muscles, which is strong, which is your leg muscles will be strong by this asana. And third is your this upper body will be fit for this asanas. Okay, then now second asana is Tirjak Tarasana. You have to stand like this only. Okay, and keep your hands straight and interlock, and you have to bend your left side and hold here. Okay, then come back again right side. Hold, come back again 10 times you can do and relax. The advantage of this asanas is your digestive systems or that is in your inside of your organ like large intestine, small intestines, it's work very nicely by these asanas. It's very good for your these waist muscles. And third is Vrikshasana. Vrikshasans, you have to stand like this according to your shoulder level. Now take your left leg and keep it here, fixed it here, and try to do like this. Your posture will be like this. Hold for 15 seconds and come back slowly. Again, another leg. Hold for 15 seconds. Now come back. This asanas is very useful of your life because it's help to increase your concentrate level, your it's help to fix your aims also because it's very balancing yoga, and it's improve your balancing also, body balance also, so it's very useful. Now Kati Chakrasana is very useful also. Kati Chakrasana, you have to stand according to your shoulder level. Your body should be straight. Now your left hand on your right shoulder and left and right hand should be back on your left waist, and bend your body. Hold. Again relax. Again change your hand and keep it here and keep it here and move your body. Very good. You can see by these asanas when you have to move, when you will move your upper body, it's create a pressure on your intestines or your digestive system. That's for what happened. That's for your digestive system will be good. Your kidneys also will be good. Your respiratory systems, this means your breathing time, your breathing capacities also be good. So it's very useful in your daily life. You know everyone, during this virus, your school is closed. Everyone is staying in their homes, so they are focused only their study. But don't forget to focus your exercise also because it's help to keep yourself fit and fine.